considering the threats of China or even Malaysia to our nation. Actually, I'm Bishop Bernie Maritan. Most of the time, I'm in Mindanao. And yung commitment ni Pinoy about PBL. We're concerned with that because there's a law. If the BBL will be approved, baka kami mga bishop doon, mapugutan ng ulo. And mga pastors, marami po kami mga missionary doon. And that's their concern because ayun nga, yung nangyari na trend sa world ngayon na other religions ay pinapunish ng isang religion ngayon. And yun nga po, ang observation ko sa Israel, para mag-survive sila, dapat general yung presidente. So, do you have any stand regarding dun nga po sa BBL? Then yun nga, regarding sa Sabbath na natin po. Thank you.
The way to treat the ARM, yung Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao, nakikita na it has become a vicious cycle. Di ba, nakipag-usap tayo sa MNLF, sinara natin yung usapan, and then nagkaroon ng MILF, now we're talking with the MILF, and then what will happen next? To me, let's look at the culture, yung mga tribo doon. Yung Tausug and the Maranawans and the Maguindanao, they cannot really mix together because magkaiba yung kultura. So I think one solution that the peace panel failed to see is probably kasi may constitutional provision that there will only be one arm sa Mindanao. Of course, dalawa yan, isang sa CAR, yung sa Cordillera, and one in Mindanao. But the constitution never states na we can create sub-region. One autonomous region, but we can create a sub-region for the Tausug, one sub-region for the Maguindanao and Maranawans. Kasi Maguindanao, alam ni General Ortego ito, yung Maguindanaoans and Maranao, pwede magkahalo yan because of intermarriages. But you mix the Tausug with the Maranao, magkaaway lagi yan. They will not agree with each other. No matter what central government will do, lagi magkaaway yan. And whenever we talk to one side or one party, the other side will form an armed group and fight it out. And this will go on forever. Hindi tayo makakabangon dito. So I think they should seriously consider creating sub-regions para lang masolve natin yung problema na sana. Yung BBL, I would like to believe na hindi papasyon in its present form because the senators are already made aware, no mga constitutional infirmities present to sa draft as presented to Congress. I just hope that they, during the period of amendments, they find wisdom in introducing amendments that would really contribute to lasting peace.